All right, so I have a question here on the phobia of math, how to deal with the phobia of someone just scared of math and numbers and stuff. So again, it usually comes with the foundations. Math is one subject that if you're able to do, you'll be excited about doing it. If you're able to do it, if you're not able to do it, you would hate it. Right? So what I do with my students is I'm deliberate about going back to figure out where the disconnect started from, and I'll begin to basically try to walk you through it step by step. So I would never teach you anything you don't have a foundations for, and it doesn't matter your grade level. I do everything possible to ensure that I start with something that you can deal with. And you see, when you deal with math, everything in math has a foundational requirements and all of that. So that's one. So always work with people at their level and then build them up. Right, but then more important than that, or just as important as that, I would say is that you keep the environment exciting, right? So you would want to. So for instance, you get a question right, I can do anything, we can have a special handshake, we can do, like, emotions are transferable. So you can transfer emotions from, okay, I like you, if you like me, and I'm teaching you math, you will like math. Right? For many students, the reverse is the case. You don't like me, I'm teaching you math, you hate math. Right? So if you have these two things in place, you would find out that basically everybody would just begin to want to learn at their level. I've worked with kids that really struggled, and then they did all they could to please me because they liked me. Right? On one hand, and on the other hand too, I now try to make sure that I am there for you, and I make sure that I walk you through, everything you need to do step by step.